What's the meaning of arterial? Arterial. Arterial.
Arterial. Arterial. The term arterial refers to anything related to or pertaining to arteries, the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood from the heart to various parts of the body. Arteries are thick-walled and highly elastic, allowing them to withstand the pressure and force created by the pumping action of the heart. They branch out into smaller arterioles and finally into tiny capillaries, which deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body's tissues and organs. Any condition or disease that affects the arteries can have significant consequences on overall health and function, including cardiovascular disease, hypertension, and stroke.